What's up, everybody? Today, we're not going to perform a miracle. However, we are going to do something fun. Today, we are going to be making Jesus crust. I'm serious. Jesus crust will make an appearance at Light Source Engraving today. It's not a miracle, but it's close. So in the spirit of Christmas and Easter soon to be here, let's make Jesus crust. I hope you enjoy this one, and we're going to be making this on the laserMATIC 30-watt module installed, and I will share with you my pizza crust settings. That's not something you hear every day. That's not something I've ever heard. So, in the spirit of my trademark saying, let's burn to learn. Alright, we're here in Lightburn, and the first thing I did is I cropped this picture, and I wasn't too concerned about the crop, so I just drew myself a fill, let me see, a fill oval. Needed to move that to the top, and I just made the oval as tall and as wide as the picture was, and then I wasn't happy with the amount of area that was cropped out of it, so I proceeded to just extend it out. I wanted to get more of the hands into the picture. Then I converted that to a tool path, and then selected the tool path and the image, and then applied a mask to the image, and then I flattened it. Once it was flattened, I reduced it to size, the proper size for my pizza crust, which was just like that. And then I added text. So I typed the text and I used the blue button. Once I had the text where I wanted it, I just made myself a rough outline of the pizza crust, centered everything up, and then proceeded to begin testing. Oh, before I tested, I did adjust the image, and I used Atkinson dither, line interval of 0.085. I bumped up the contrast, lowered the brightness, and increased the gamma, and came out with this image here as the preview. I used an enhanced radius of 50 and an enhanced amount of 200. Then once I did that, I ran a few tests with some text just to see how it looked. Got some decent settings, and here they are. Delete that image that I just brought in. So delete, goodbye. So for the text, I use a speed of 15,000, power of 90, bidirectional fill, line interval of 0.08. If you want it to get darker, you can decrease your line interval and that will darken it up, or slow your speed down. Either way, that will darken it up. And for the image, I ran, of course it was Atkinson, 0.085, bidirectional, and I ran a speed of 13,000 and a power of 95. And that sped through in about an hour, completed this total engrave. And I'm just going to show you that engraving now, and I'm going to speed it up. I'm also going to include the full engrave, full length, no talking, in an ASMR style video. So look for that to be on the channel soon. And then once it's finished up, I'll bring it back here and show you how it looks. Okay, everyone, fresh off of the laser, we have our Jesus crust. The Lord gives wisdom, and fear ends where faith begins are the two quotes I chose to put on this, and they came out nice. So in the picture, you can see the hands really well. The detail of the eyes looks great, which if you can get the eyes to come out great, that's normally the focal point of a photograph. So if the eyes look great, then the rest of the image should follow. Could it be better? Yes. Could it be worse? Yes. But for the first time engraving a pizza crust, this looks pretty darn good. So, not quite a miracle, but still a great result. And to that end, I say happy holidays from myself and Jesus Crust. Please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Check out the Patreon if you feel like it. Links are in the description. And that's it. What food item would you like to see me engrave next? If you can think of something, leave a comment and I'll give it a try. Thanks. Have a great day. See you in the next one.